Today I'm going to try to knock out not really an egg cup, but a stand for that acorn cap egg that I made. My wife has requested that I make a stand for it. So I'm going to see if I can knock one of those out today. So stick with me and let's get to the 3520 and see what we can do. And another sticker and a really nice note from Stephen Curvall in the UK, SK Krafts on YouTube. Thanks, Stephen, I appreciate it. Y'all check Stephen out. He's a great guy, does some cool stuff. Stephen, I'm gonna put you right here. So, as always, link up here. Y'all check him out. Stephen, I'll get yours right on the way. Thanks, buddy. I've got this piece of ash that is cracked really bad. I didn't prep it right, but this down here's got some, it's pretty solid. So I'm gonna use that, as much of this as I can. That's a little out of round, but I can fix that. All right, let's go. Beating and burning proof. That's how you do beads with a beating and burning proof. You know, that's not a bad finish right off of that bowl gouge. Got some chip out there because this is so dry and cracked. See if I can round it up a little bit. Oh yeah, much better. Mucho better-o. I'm gonna fill these cracks with sawdust and CA. I'm gonna make my groove in here first, or my hollow. Okay. I like it. I like it. I'll let this dry and I'll be back. Now I'm going to hit it with some axes. You know, ash is some hard stuff, but man, it sands up so nice. Yeah. Wow, that axe got into that grain. But I don't care because it accents it and kind of goes with the black CA anyway. Normally at this point I would hit it with Howard feed wax, but I'm not going to use Howard feed wax on this one. I'm going to use this. That's actually ugly. So strip some of that with denatured alcohol. Now I'll hit it with some lacquer thinner. Okay. Got most of the wax off. Got some of it out of the grain, but not all of it. So, what we're gonna do. Okay. Okay, that's better. I'm gonna let this dry. I'll let this dry for half hour or so, 20 minutes, half hour. Hit it again, probably put 3 or 4 coats on. Got it signed. Rub a little Howard feeding wax. I'm gonna let this soak in for a few minutes. I'll buff it up. Yeah, that's a leftover hole. It's not really gonna make a difference. I'm not selling this piece. This is my wife's. She won't care it's got a hole in the middle. Well, we all know what Mama wants, Mama gets, right? She wanted a stand for that acorn cap egg. So I took a little piece of ash that was pretty much useless for anything else. Had some cracks in it. I filled them with black CA. And then I took some green dye and dyed it. A light dye coat, not too bad. I didn't want it to overpower the green from the egg. Signed it on the bottom. And I don't think it does overpower or detract, honestly. So I think she's going to be happy with it. It sets up here pretty nice. I could probably use it for any number of eggs, but I made it for this one. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate it, folks. Honest, I really do. If it weren't for all you subscribers, I don't know that I would continue to do this. Don't forget to visit my sponsors. harneilmedia.com for all your website needs. Abrasive paste, I've already got a link up for that in the middle of the video. And the discount code's up there as well. If you'd like to support the Messy Studio in any way, it's certainly appreciated. It helps us buy resin, abrasives, sandpaper abrasives, not the paste. I get all my sandpaper and stuff from Klingspor. I've tried many different sources. They're the only ones that I trust anymore. I mean, this isn't an advertisement for Klingspor. I'm just telling you, if you want quality abrasives, go to Klingspor. They've got the best. Anyway, it helps us with finishes. It helps us with any necessary tool upgrades, you know, and those kinds of things happen. I've got a PayPal donate me button down in the description below if you so desire. Again, none of this is necessary. My Amazon affiliate link is down there. Click on that. Anything you buy off of that, going to Amazon from that link, I get a few pennies of. Doesn't cost you any more. Again, none of this is mandatory. None of this is required. It's not an obligation. It's just if you feel like helping support us, and it's much, much appreciated. Honest, it really is. So thanks again for watching. Again, we ramble on. You know, I spent over 20 years in the classroom, and I had that problem there too. So I can't shut up. Y'all be safe. Be well. Appreciate life. And be thankful for those around you. God bless. Y'all come back.